Yeah. So look at that. I made bread. Yeah, it's a bit burnt. And next time it wants to go in less long. But it's gorgeous. It's really nice. And I made it. I made that bread. That's cool. I brought it in 2 pots because I thought it wouldn't burn so quickly. Maybe it worked. Maybe it would have been completely black if I hadn't. Nice little fire. Well, that was really good fun. Ray Mears recipe. Easy to find. Easy to cook. I forgot the salt, but actually, yeah, I think it would be better if I'd have put a bit of salt in it, but there's salt on the butter, so next time I'll put salt in it. Steep bit of wood. Well, that's it. Lunch done. I best pack up. A bit of firewood for next time. Cool. Don't turn it around that way, it's too black. Try that way. See, that looks good that way. Excellent. Good fun.